Unveiling the mysteries of homonyms. Context is key. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of homonyms. They can be tricky, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in your ability to distinguish between different homonyms in written English. Specifically, we'll focus on using context clues to determine meaning. To understand homonyms, it's essential to remember that homonyms are words that sound the same and may even be spelled the same, but they have different meanings. An example could be bear, as in the animal, and bear, as in the verb meaning to carry. Now that we know what homonyms are, let's discuss context clues. These are hints in the sentence or paragraph that can help you infer or understand the meaning of new words. The context could be the sentences surrounding the homonym or the overall theme of the text. Reading carefully and making use of context clues is an excellent way to decipher the meaning of a homonym. It's about paying attention to what's happening in the sentence. Are there any words that give you hints about the homonym's meaning? Let's take an example. The bear was so cute. Here, the context clue is cute, which is usually associated with animals or things we find adorable. So, bear likely refers to the animal. The best way to become a pro at using context clues to determine homonyms' meanings is through practice. 1. Can you bear the weight? In this sentence, weight is our context clue. Bear here is used as a verb, meaning to carry. 2. I need to tie up some loose ends before I leave. Loose ends is a homonym here. From the context, we can infer it's referring to the idiom meaning unfinished business, not actual ends that are loose. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become at recognizing these context clues. There you have it, folks. Homonyms don't have to be a cause for confusion. With context clues, you can conquer any homonym that comes your way. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, context is key. Happy studying!